Is the nickname option missing from your Instagram account? Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Guide Studio, and today's guide video will show you two different easy troubleshooting guide of how you can fix and get the nickname option back to your Instagram account. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video guys. But not to fix the problem, the very first thing that you can take, open up the App Store from your iPhone, or if you're using the Android, or go ahead and open up the Play Store and search for Instagram right here. Now once you get the Instagram, go ahead and tap on this one and tap on Instagram, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest version, and right after that go ahead and check your issue. If you still have the problem, then follow the final process to fix the problem. Open up the Instagram app from your device, and from the home page, go ahead and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right here. Now once you're here inside your profile, tap on this three horizontal line at the top right. And once you're here inside the settings and activity, just need to scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll get to see the help. Go ahead and tap on help, and from here tap on report a problem, and just need to swipe up and tap on a report problem without shaking, and then tap don't include and continue, and you just need to explain your problem. And once you have typed in your problem, go ahead and tap on send, and this will send a report to the Instagram team, and you just need to wait unless they send a feedback to you, and most likely you will get the nickname feature to your Instagram account. I hope you find this very helpful guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.